For generations, Catholic families sacrificed everything so their children could receive a faithful Catholic education. Today, thousands of Catholic schools have closed. Enrollment has collapsed, and millions of children are growing up without access to authentic Catholic formation. At the same time, some Catholic universities hold billions in endowments. So we have to ask, how did we allow Catholic education to disintegrate while the need has never been greater? At Your Catholic Voice Foundation, we believe the mission must come first. We are building a new model, transparent, lean, mission-driven, and focused on restoring Catholic education for future generations. We're not doing this for prestige. We're doing it for the kids. As Christ overturned the tables in the temple, this is a moment for courage, truth, and action. Please support Your Catholic Voice Foundation today and help us rebuild Catholic education before another generation is lost.